Okay, good morning. Today our video is how to create a Google form for maths assessment. I opened a new form. So when you open the new form, the blank one, you can see like this. So I change the title of it. Now I'm creating online assessment class 12. Okay, I'm creating this online assessment class 12. So I would like to give the description of it as topic. I'm using inverse trigonometry. Okay, this is a topic I'm going to use. Now listen, here we have to paste the questions. Math type is not possible. You know, here when we try to do the math type is not possible here, so we need to do is what we have to paste the question, or you can what we call uh, A, B, C and D options. I am preparing a multiple choice, so I would like to take a GPG, means a picture of the question, and paste it over there. See, I would like to create a 5 questions. So what I do is I make a duplicates of it. Okay, how many are there? I would like to take 5 duplicates so that I can prepare 5 questions. See, here I made a 5 duplicates. Now I'd like to change the number also. Simple it is, question 5. What about this? One second. Everything, whatever you are doing, will be saved in the Google Drive automatically. So here it is, question number 2, I think, and then question number 3. Okay, now what we are going to use for these questions, from where we are going to get the questions. See, let us see here. I have a list of questions I already typed. This question I would like to take it to the Google form. So for this, every laptop I hope will have this Snip and Sketch, the app. It will be a built-in app. No problem. You can search in your start button, you will find it. So take a new one. Now what you should do, take this one, crop this one. So you got a picture, take a Control S, save this one as a number. You take inverse, I'm putting this one chapter name so that I can identify easily. Inverse trigonometry 1 I will write. So it is saved over there. Like that you have to save around 5 questions. Here see 5 questions I am using, so I am saving the 5 questions. See again, Control S. Now this one simply you put it as second question. Now they take third one, take a new, okay, provided, and take just one, crop it. So here again Control S. So you have a third one. Now more 2 questions you have to do. See that alignment should be proper. Here I cannot crop it. So let me do is what I will drag this one down. Now I can see the questions properly. So again go back to the sketch and take a new one. Now crop this one. Okay, you got the image. Now save it. This will be saved in a new name as 4. See, all are in GPG format only. And the last one, this is the last question. I'm cropping it. So this one, Control S, will come at it. You know, it will take time, but it will come. And this is your 5th question. Okay. Now all the questions were nicely sent in. So first question, when you do, we will take this one. Press on that browse option. Now the browse option here, inverse trigonometry, first question. Okay, first question, open. Now see, this question will be pasted over there in the question 1. You can see that question 1, and this is the question. So options. The second thing, same way you have to do for second question. Take the second question here, go for the browse. Now you have inverse trigonometry, second one. So you got the second question also pasted over there. Like this we are going to paste the remaining 3 questions. Now after pasting the question,